इश्क मुझको नहीं वहशत ही सही,
इश्क मुझको नहीं वहशत ही सही। सुभान अल्लाह, वाह 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 वाह।
मेरी वहशत तेरी शोहरत ही सही।
सुभान अल्लाह, वाह वाह वाह, क्या कह,
बहुत खूब, बहुत अच्छे।
कता कीजे न ताल्लुक हमसे, कुछ नहीं है तो अदावत ही सही।
वाह वाह।
Adab, I'm Sahar Zaman. My journey in Urdu started with the introduction to the songs of the golden era. I have not been introduced to Urdu through long storybooks or old classics or Urdu Nazm. Essentially, it has been the songs of the golden era of the Indian film industry, 1940s to the 1970s. And in that, I realized the beauty of the language. The beauty of the language, which was made even more beautiful by absolute stalwarts of singers that we had in those days. उन दिनों में जो शायर उर्दू के गाने लिखते थे, उर्दू समझते थे, मगर जो गायक उन लफ्ज़ों को गाते थे, उनके लिए भी इतना ही ज़रूरी था कि वे उर्दू की नफाजत समझें, उर्दू का एहसास समझें, उर्दू के तलफ़्फ़ुज़ समझें और उर्दू का असली लखनवी लहजा भी समझें. So it was equally important for all singers of our golden era to be well versed with Urdu, to at least understand what is being spoken about. The one singer that comes to my mind is Talat Mahmood. Out of all his contemporaries, he understood Urdu best. He understood where it came from. It came from his hometown Lucknow. And his pronunciation and understanding of the language was absolutely impeccable. The way he expressed things when he sang his songs of Urdu Shayars is still unparalleled. I like to put it across rather in a very catchy manner. From Ghalib to Gulzar, ऐसा कोई उर्दू का शायर नहीं है जो उन्होंने अपनी खूबसूरत आवाज़ में ना बांधा हो. He has completely epitomized Urdu poetry as is known, and has played a pivotal role in taking it to the masses, in taking it to the mainstream.
दोनों जहान तेरी मोहब्बत में हार के हो जा रहा है कोई शबे गम गुजार के दोनों जहान तेरी.
For the joy of Urdu, I have selected this one work of Majrooh Sultanpuri Sahab, which he wrote for the film Sujaata in 1959. जब आप ये गाना सुनेंगे आपको ये एहसास होगा that this song is the soul of the film. And the soul of the song, the soul of Majrooh Sultanpuri's writing is Talat Mahmood's voice. The way he sung it, the way his voice and the words of Majrooh Sultanpuri come together to explain the delicate balance of this true love that is being shown in the film, which was forbidden, which was between two opposite castes, which was unimaginable, and yet it was being pursued in this song Jalte Hain jiske liye. दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये छूटे ना कहीं, गीत नाजुक है मेरा शीशे से भी टूटे ना कहीं, गुनगुनाऊंगा यही गीत मैं तेरे लिए.
जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आंखों के दिए, ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं जलते हैं